Hi friends, this is Naveen Kumar. I welcome you all to my channel, The Disciplined Trader. In this video, we will be discussing about intraday stocks for tomorrow, and the date will be 29th December. So let's check the. So let us see which are the stock I am recommending you people. The first stock I am going to recommend you people is Ramco Cements, and the strategy behind this stock is, let me explain you. If you observe this stock in daily time frame, we have a trend line over here, right? We were having a trend line at this point, which was acting as a, it was where the stock was taking support at this level. If you observe, it was taking support, right? So few days before, it has given breakout of this trend line. It took resistance at the same point, right? So we have two confirmation at this point. Trend line has given breakout of trend line, retest of the same trend line. So if you observe the candlestick confirmation, so if you observe these two candles, so after this huge bearish candle, the next day, after the huge bearish candle on 17th December, we found an inside candle on 18th December, right? So the same scenario is repeating over here. Wait, sorry. The same kind of scenario is repeated over here. We found that we had a on 24th December we had a huge bearish candle, right? This same as like this huge bearish candle. Now we have an inside candle. So it is the bearish harami candle. So my view for tomorrow is, if you check the low of these two candles, so you can see the low at this point where just a second, in this zone it will be here the high, low, open and close will be displayed. Just wanted to mention, if those who don't know where to check, so for them I have mentioned this. So if you check the low of previous trading session, it was the low was 775. If you check today's low, it is 774.70, just 0.30% difference for the both the lows. So as we have this multiple confirmation, trend line given breakout, now it retested the trend line. Same scenario is repeating over here. Huge bearish candle, inside candle, huge bearish candle, inside candle. So for tomorrow, if the stock is playing below today's low, only if the stock is playing below today's low, you can go for the short position. Till, so our first target will be this low, that is around 767, and our final target will be somewhere at this level, this swing point, that is around 750 level. So after the, see, if you see after this big candle, we found a inside candle, big move, right? So I'm expecting the same kind of move tomorrow. So I mean that probabilities are high that it can move something like this. It can give a it can give a movement something like this. Probabilities are high. It doesn't mean that it should act like that only. Just a probability. So if you in tomorrow's session, if you find the stock is playing below 775, below 775, you can plan your you can plan on the stock on the sell side with the first target of 767 and the next target will be 750. The next stock is Godrej Properties. Godrej, if you observe, last week last week the stock closed with a wick dominating candle, right? So if you observe the same stock in daily time frame, this is a if you combine these three candles, so it is more like a candlestick pattern. So though it is at the resistance, though these candles are at the resistance, we shouldn't consider this as a morning star. If it was in the support, we should have considered this as a morning star. Though it is at the resistance, we are not considering it a morning star. Like, so what I'm trying to explain you is, like, after the bullish momentum, we found a halt, pause. After next, today it has given breakout. So if you check the price action in 1 hour time frame, we were having this support level now. Now we have this support level. So after this big momentum, impulse move, corrective move, again impulse move. Now this should be corrective move until 1400 level, around 1400 level. So my view for tomorrow is, look for the bullish candles right at this point. So as this was acting resistance, now it will act as a support. As it has given breakout, it will act as a support now. So if you find any bullish candles at 1500 to 1390 level, you can plan on the buy side. The bullish candles the bullish candles are like hammer, engulfing candle. So this kind of candles, if you find any this kind of candles at this point, you can be on the long side with the target of with the first target of 1445. So if the stock crosses this 1445 level, we can expect another big move. Simple strategy. The previous resistance will act as a support now. So we were having, as the stock was facing resistance at this point. So though it has given breakout now, it will act as a support now. It might act as a support now. As we discussed the same in Tata Consumer yesterday. So the next stock is Balakrishna Industries. Balakrishna Industries, if you observe in daily time frame, if you check the price action, took resistance at this point. The stock has the stock has fallen. cross the previous resistance, so the previous resistance will act as a support now at this point. So from this point it has to continue its upward direction, right? So though it is looking bullish, I am not on the bullish side for tomorrow. In tomorrow trading session I will be on the bearish side. So the reason I will be explaining. So after the breakout it took support at this point and continued this bullish trend, but it has given breakout of this swing point. Now it is taking as a resistance at this point, right? So my view for tomorrow is, and we have good candlestick confirmation too. If you observe this 2 days candlestick, if you observe these 2 days candles, it is more like a tweezer top candle. So the candle, both the candles are similar, with the same, almost same low. The low of the 24th December candle is 1552. Today it was 1551. So if you observe the stock in 1 hour time frame, we have a support at this point, right? We have resistance at this point, we have support at this point. So in between this we have minor support in 1 hour time frame. So my view for tomorrow is, if you find the stock playing below this level, you can be on the sell side till this zone, till 1520 level. Simple strategy. Previous support will act as a resistance now. It took a resistance at this point, and we have two same candles, tweezer candles. So if you find the stock trading or playing below this 1 hour support zone, that is around 1550 level. If you find this stock playing below 1550 level, you can plan your trade on the sell side with the target of 1520. If you guys like my analysis video on those stock, do like, share and comment, and do follow me on Instagram, and do join my Telegram channel, that is Plain Trader. Thank you.